How to delete TikTok comment history. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find and remove your TikTok comments step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Now select Comment History to see all the comments you've posted on TikTok. Since I am not active on TikTok, I have nothing to show here. For reference, this is what that looks like. You can sort the comments from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. To delete a comment, tap on the comment you want to remove. This will open the TikTok video where your comment was posted. Press and hold on your comment, then tap on Delete with the trash icon. Your TikTok comment will now be removed instantly. If you want to clear more comments, repeat the same process for each one. Keep in mind, TikTok currently doesn't have a one-tap option to delete all comment history at once. And that's it. That's how you can delete your TikTok comment history easily.